Good evening, pre-algebra. This is Mr. Lawrence with your flipped lesson for tonight. We're doing more work with solving strange inequalities, and I gotta warn you, look at some of those letters in the word inequalities. They are looking strange. The R in the word strange is looking strange. The smartboard is acting up. I don't know what it's doing. I'm afraid it's kind of strange. Oh no, but we'll get through it the best we can. Technology is a wonderful thing when it works. All right, so let's see here. Hold on, I don't have enough cable. I'm going to choke myself. That would not be good, especially in the middle of the video. Uh-oh, danger, Will Robinson, we're black. Hold on, where are we going? Okay, I think we're doing okay. Oh, there it goes. What's going on? Okay, I think because I moved the computer, the smartboard didn't like it. We are going to look at a couple of problems, some very strange ones. Hold on, and they will magically appear. Okay, there are problems 1 and 2. Go ahead and pause the video, see if you can handle those problems. Problems 1 and 2. When you unpause, I'll assume you're ready to see the solution. All right. I'm assuming you're ready for the solution. I don't like the fact that there are x's on both sides of this inequality. It bugs me. So I am going to get rid of one of the x's. I am going to subtract 2x from both sides. I could have subtracted 7x from both sides, but I know that it's usually a little bit easier if I take away the smaller x value. Usually, not always. All right, these x's will cancel, leaving me with a negative 5 is less than or equal to 7 minus 2 is 5x plus 10. Now it's just a two-step inequality. I will subtract 10 from both sides. And then I will get 5x negative 15. Remember, when the signs are the same, we add and keep the sign. Okay, now x is not alone. It's attached by 5. It's attached to a 5 by multiplication, so therefore I will divide by 5 on both sides. So my solution will be x greater than or equal to negative 3, or negative 3 is less than or equal to x. When I go to graph that on a number line, I must show the negative 3. It will be a closed point because I have an equal sign underneath my less than. Now I need numbers that are greater than negative 3. Well, don't the numbers get larger as I move to the right? So the greater numbers like 5 or 10, which are definitely greater than negative 3, must be to the right of negative 3. And there I go. All right, scrolling down to number 2. Give myself a little bit of room here. There we go. That's perfect. Number 2. I don't like that negative. Therefore, I will get, the negative. I don't like the fraction. I will get rid of the 3. It's attached by division, so I will multiply both sides by 3. The 3's will end up canceling, leaving me with 8 minus 2x is less than 3. Now it's just a simple two-step inequality. This 8 needs to go away. It's attached by addition, so therefore I will subtract 8. Leaving me with negative 2x. Those guys canceled. The negative is attached to the 2, so he comes down. A less than 3 minus 8. When the signs are different, I subtract and keep the sign of the larger. Well, 8 minus 3 is 5. The 8 is bigger than 3, so it's negative 5. All right, now I will divide each side by negative 2. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right, when I do that, I will end up getting, hold on one moment, I am running out of room again. Mr. Lawrence needs to space a little better. Okay, when I do that, I will get x. This guy must flip because I divided by a negative. And I will get 5 over 2, which will simplify to 2.5. All right, on a number line, what would that look like? Well, 2.5 would be over here. It will be an open circle. And I need the numbers greater than 2.5. Well, those would be to the right. And I'm going to scroll back up here to number 1. I have a bad feeling that I did something wrong. Let me see here. That's still number 2. Nope, I'm good. Okay. All right, on to problem 3. First thing I'm going to do here is distribute my 2. I'll get a negative 6x plus 8 equal to 44. Oh, I don't want it equal. Let's make it less than, no, let's make it greater than or equal to. Sorry about that. I said greater than or equal to. There we go. All right, it's a 2-step inequality. I will subtract 8 from both sides, leaving me with negative 6x is greater than, where are we at there? 36, I think, right? Okay. I will divide by a negative. Whoop, 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 whoop. Every time I divide by a negative, my inequality has to change direction. The x's will cancel. The greater than or equal to becomes a less than or equal to. 36 divided by negative 6 is negative 6. On a number line, that would look like this. I have to show negative 6. It will be a closed circle, a closed point, because of the equals. And I need numbers less than negative 6. And there we go. All right, quick video for you, but you need to practice. We'll get more practice in class. Hopefully the review is helping you out. Please feel free to watch this more than once so you learn these steps. The problems that we've been doing for the past week or two, they all look different, but they all involve the same exact steps. All right, Mr. Lawrence signing off. Good night, everybody.